Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin right now. Cleanse thoroughly and pat skin completely dry. Moisture reduces penetration. Once dry, test a drop behind the ear and wait 24 hours to confirm no irritation. If clear, dispense a pea-sized amount of the Inkey list Beta Hydroxy Acid and dot across forehead, nose, chin. Gently spread. You need thin coverage. Start every other night to let your skin adapt. This product is oil-soluble, so it penetrates pores to unclog and smooth. That's why drying first matters. Once you've tolerated a few uses, increase frequency gradually. Begin every other night for 2 weeks. Make sure to observe oil control and sensitivity. When layering, apply BHA after water-based serums, but before creams and oils so it reaches pores unhindered. If you use hydrating serums, wait a minute to let them absorb. Do not combine with retinoids or other exfoliants on the same night to prevent overexfoliation. Monitor for redness, tightness, or flaking and reduce use if needed. Complete the routine by sealing with a non-comedogenic moisturizer to support your skin barrier. Then use broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every morning because BHA increases sun sensitivity. Track changes. Fewer blackheads, smoother texture over 4-6 weeks. If you experience stinging or persistent redness, stop for 48-72 hours and apply a gentle barrier cream. Once calm, reintroduce at 1 every 3 nights. If severe reaction continues, consult a dermatologist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.